You want the truth? Fine. I'm not the person I pretended to be. I've made mistakes. I carry scars. I come from broken places, and there are still parts of me I still don't fully understand. For years, I've tried to become someone easier to love. I hide pieces of myself. I push people away because I was convinced that if they saw the real me, they wouldn't stay. I kept running from who I was, only to find the same fears and insecurities waiting for me every time. Then I broke. I got tired of pretending. I got tired of carrying masks that never fitted. And in that silence, I realized something unexpected. Even broken pieces can reflect light. Maybe being damaged doesn't make us worthless. Maybe our scars are proof that we survived. Maybe the darkness we carry isn't something to erase, but something to understand. I'm still healing. I'm still learning. But for the first time, I'm not hiding from any of it. So here I am. No masks, no excuses, no lies. This is me, unfinished, scarred, and real. And if my voice shakes when I say it, let it shake. At least for the first time in my life, it belongs entirely to me.